Oh, got him. Had a bite. Had a bite. It's exciting. I'm at 20 feet going 2 miles per hour. Oh, got him. Finally. Wow, look at that, guys. My first hookup ever. Oh, it came off? Oh no, it not came off. I was at 2 miles per hour at 4 color, 20 feet. My first striper. Not bad, not bad. Oh shit, not bad. Look at that. First one ever. Look at that clipping. Boat clip. Guys, check this out. My first striper on Shat Fly. Get it, got him. Oh shit. 15 feet. Oh yes. Got him. Got him. Back to fish. Back to fish. Oh, look at that. Way out there. Oh shit, I got a bite on this one too. Fish on. Oh. Oh. Oh yes. This is fun. Fly fishing. Is it a big one? Ooh, it's a big one. I might have to net it. Ooh, yeah, have to net it. First time using net today. Big old nice one. Oh, oh yes. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. On a Shat Fly, guys. Can't believe it. This thing looks good. Oh, got him, boy. Yes. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. Guys, look at that. I was at 20 feet, 4 color out. Shat Fly. That was second miss. Uh-oh. I need a net. Oh. I need a net. Oh, no need a net. I could boat flip this. Oh no, I'm not boat flipping. Stop taking chance. It's a nice one. Oh, look at that, guys. guys. Look at that. Oh, it's chew this thing. Sharp fly, guys.